Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Firmware in Samsung devices refers to the software that provides the basic functionality of the hardware. It acts as an intermediary between the hardware and the operating system, ensuring that the device runs as intended. Samsung firmware typically includes the operating system, for example, Android, Samsung's custom UI1 UI, and drivers for the device's hardware components. Key points about Samsung firmware components. Bootloader manages the booting process of the device. Recovery, a special mode used for maintenance tasks like software updates or system recovery. System software includes the Android OS and Samsung's customizations One UI. Modem baseband manages cellular connectivity, updates. Samsung regularly releases firmware updates to enhance performance, improve security, and introduce new features. Updates can be delivered over the air OTA or manually installed using tools like Samsung Smart Switch or Odin. Customization. Samsung firmware includes One UI, which provides a unique look, feel, and features tailored for Samsung devices. It also comes preloaded with Samsung apps and services, such as Samsung Pay, Samsung Health, and Bixby. Flashing firmware. Advanced users can flash install firmware manually to customize their device or fix software issues. Tools like Odin are commonly used for flashing Samsung firmware. Incorrect flashing can lead to bricking the device, so it should be done cautiously. Firmware variations. Samsung releases firmware versions specific to regions, carriers, and device models. For example, firmware for a Galaxy S23 in Europe might differ from that of the same model in the US. Thank you for watching video.